A man made his final court appearance before his trial begins this Monday.
Mark Taylor is accused of kidnapping and killing Alex Johnson more than 2 years ago. As WKYT's Mark Barber shows us, Taylor's attorneys had a few last-minute requests ahead of the trial.
With just 3 days until Mark Taylor goes on trial for murder, we're starting to learn what to expect when he goes to trial. The Commonwealth's attorney says the first person that they're planning to call to testify is the mother of the man that Taylor is accused of kidnapping and beating to death. Alex Johnson's body was found stuffed in a barrel in the Kentucky River back in 2014. The Commonwealth's attorney prosecuting his one-time friend and now accused killer wants to start the trial with his mother's testimony so she can explain who Johnson was and why his death is not just another statistic. Taylor's attorneys asked the judge to keep her from testifying because they think that she will be used to drum up sympathy for her son. The judge overruled that motion. For the first time today, we are also getting an idea of how Taylor's attorneys will try to defend him. This morning, they described Johnson, a chef who worked for the University of Kentucky, as a drug dealer. The second man charged in the murder case, Timothy Ballard, has agreed to testify against Taylor next week as a part of his plea deal. Attorneys tell WKYT that he's expected to tell the court that they went back to the house for money and marijuana after Johnson was killed. One other noteworthy thing came out in court this morning. The Commonwealth's attorney says they thought they had an audio recording with the key witness, Johnson's girlfriend, but she says it appears to have disappeared. They think it was a mistake with the officer who wrote the report. In Lexington, Mark Barber, WKYT.
In another last-minute request, Taylor's attorney asked the judge to only allow autopsy photos that show relevant injuries be used during the trial. They argued the other autopsy photos would be harmful.